Meaning of ink.
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 Ink. Ink refers to a liquid or paste that contains pigments or dyes and is used for writing, drawing, or printing. It is typically made using substances such as carbon black, iron gall, or vegetable-based materials. Ink has been an essential medium for communication since ancient times and has evolved to include a wide range of colors, thicknesses, and consistencies. In modern times, it is commonly used for printing newspapers, books, and documents, as well as in the production of art, tattoos, and calligraphy. Overall, ink plays an important role in human expression and communication.